Imagine this. You have decided to learn Photoshop and you have an AI robot seated next to you, guiding you how to use Photoshop or any other software. Not only that, but you can also ask any questions you have. How awesome is that? Well, it's already here. The future is already here, but not as a physical robot, of course, rather as an AI helper on your computer. Let me tell you exactly how you can do this for free. To get started, go to Google Studio AI, press sign in, and it will take you to this page. You might have tried Gemini at this point. Google Studio AI works similarly to Gemini Studio, but it is designed for all developers such as programmers. You might be wondering, I don't do any of this. You're right. We are going to use this new feature to our advantage. Go to Stream Real Time, press Start Recording. For the video source, you can even switch on your camera or share your screen. If you share the camera, you can point something and the AI will answer your questions in real time. For now, I will choose Share Screen. Go to Entire Screen and select your screen. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Is there anything I can help you with?
What do you see in front of the screen?
There's an image of yellow sunglasses placed on a background that is split diagonally, with a blue color on one side and a tan
Okay,
color
so
on the
what
other.
software is this?
The software on the screen is Adobe Photoshop. It is a photo editing software.
Alright, so tell me, how do I remove this glass out of the background?
Okay, to remove the glasses from the background, you would need to use a selection tool, such as the lasso tool or the quick selection tool, to select the sunglasses. Then, you would either copy and paste the selection to a new layer, or
Okay,
use a
stop.
layer mask.
Okay, I have
Is there
taken the quick selection tool. Is this the one?
Yes, the quick selection tool is a good option for selecting the sunglasses.
So now what should I do?
Now you can click and drag the quick selection tool over the sunglasses to select them.
Have I selected the glasses?
Yes, the sunglasses are selected. You can tell by the dotted lines around them.
Okay, what should I do now?
Now you can press Ctrl+J or Command+J to copy the selected area to a new layer. This will effectively remove the glasses from the background.
Okay, so I'm gonna press Ctrl J and now, but still I see the background. What should I do now?
Even though you created a new layer, the background is still visible. To hide the background, you can click the eye icon next to the background layer in the Layers panel.
Is this the one?
Yes, the background is now hidden.
What do you think now?
Now the yellow sunglasses are on a transparent background.
So what can I do with this tool?
The Adjustment Brush tool lets you make local adjustments to your image, such as brightening, darkening, or changing the saturation in specific areas.
Give me a moment, I'm going to Pixabay to get some images.
Okay, it looks like you're opening Pixabay, a website for free images.
Okay, I have selected the adjustment brush tool. Now I want to increase the saturation of this bird here. How do I do that?
Okay, you want to increase the saturation of the bird using the Adjustment Brush tool. To do this, make sure the Adjustment Brush tool is selected, then click on the Adjustment drop-down menu in the top left of the window. Select Hue/Saturation. Then, in the window that pops up, you will see a saturation slider. Move the slider to the right to increase the saturation on the areas where you paint using the brush.
I don't see something pops up on the screen.
Okay, you don't see a window pop up when you select Hue/Saturation. Make sure that when you selected the Adjustment Brush tool, you didn't accidentally select the normal brush tool instead. If you did, then that could be the reason why the Hue/Saturation settings window is not popping up.
I have selected the correct adjustment brush tool, and I have, from the adjustment drop down menu, I have chosen hue saturation, but I don't see anything that pops up.
I understand. You have selected the Adjustment Brush tool and then chosen Hue/Saturation from the Adjustment drop-down menu, but you don't see any window pop up with the Hue/Saturation settings. In order for those adjustments to be visible, you need to paint on the image using the brush. Then the adjustments will be made on those areas. Do you see the brush selected on your image with the white circle
so
outline?
I'm going to paint.
Great, you can see the change now that you are painting. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Now I just want to increase the brightness with the adjustment brush tool. How do I do that?
Okay, you want to increase the brightness using the Adjustment Brush tool. In the adjustment drop-down menu, instead of selecting hue/saturation, select brightness/contrast. You will then need to paint on the bird to make adjustments to the area. Once you start painting, the brightness/contrast panel will pop up, where you can adjust those settings.
Alright, tell me overall, what do you think about this image?
Okay, overall the image is quite bright, with the brightness being set to 150 and the contrast at 50. The bird stands out due to these adjustments, with the background blurred.
So far this seems really cool, but there is a limitation at the moment. I tried this with Illustrator as well. At the time of recording this video, I don't think YouTube tutorials are going to end anytime soon, and perhaps in the future, if the AI can point exactly where to press like a screen annotation, then it will be incredibly helpful. Let me know your thoughts on Google Studio AI. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm pretty sure you have not subscribed yet.